Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I have a package here from Melt Cosmetics. I picked up their Blueprint collection. It comes with 3 liquid lipsticks and these stackable eyeshadows. And I'm going to open these up and do a review for you guys. I'm going to show you how I created this look. So if you're interested to see me review the Melt Cosmetics Blueprint collection, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. I do want to talk briefly about the collection that they launched called the Blueprint collection. They launched 3 different liquid lips, and they also launched the first stack. Like, they've been doing the stack eyeshadows, but these have dual pans, so you get 2 shadows in each stack. The set that I picked up retails for $80. It's the PR box. Let me show you what it looks like. This is how it came, nice and sturdy. It's so cute. It's so cool to get like a PR box. Obviously, this wasn't sent to me. I paid for it with my own money, but it was nice to experience it in this type of packaging. It looks beautiful and it sticks to the Blueprint theme. They do still have the entire collection available to pick up as a set. Now it only costs $78 because they don't have the PR packaging available anymore. It does save you a little bit of money if you purchase all of these things individually, which why would you? But it would retail for $105. So you do get a good savings if you pick it up as a set. The lipsticks on their own each retail for $19 a piece, and then the stackable eyeshadows do retail for $48 if you wanted to pick those up on their own. So when I open up the stacks, I love this like electric blue packaging. This is what it looks like right here. And as you can see, they're all stackable eyeshadows. And if you've never tried these before, they are connected by magnets. So you can take them all apart on their own. You can slide them out like they show in the pictures. Ooh! But you have to be kind of careful because it's kind of hard to like maneuver and stuff like that. But this is, let me try and get them so I can show you all at once. Here are all the shadows. And the only thing I don't like right off the bat when I look at these is that there are only 2 matte shadows, this one here and this one here, both of which are very dark in color. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to create an entire look using only these shadows here, but they are beautiful. I'm just gonna swatch a couple of them here. Let's see. Here's one. Look at that, very shiny and fully pigmented. That was the shade called Nailed. That's cute. Oh, that's so funny. These here in this stack are called, the one is called Hammered, the other is called Nailed. I also want to swatch this blue shimmer shade here. Show you guys what this looks like. Oops, have the lipstick swatches there. Beautiful pigmented shimmer. And then let's do one more. Let's do this other gold shade. Let's see. This one is called, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you what the blue one was called. The blue one was called King Stud. The other one I'm about to swatch is called Beaming. And Beaming looks like that. So you can see they're very pigmented. Very nice. I do love all the colors. That's why I was so intrigued by this collection. Not only because these are the first duo pan stack that they did, but also I love the colors. And I just think it was so beautiful. It also does come with a mirror on the top stack. So there is what the eyeshadows look like. And before I show you what the lips look like, I am going to do a little demo of how I created this look. So if you would like to see the shadows that I used, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so here is the completed eye look. I went ahead and added some false lashes, and I also went in and did a winged liner, and then I put my foundation on, concealer, setting powder, highlight, and blush. So here it is. I am now going to try on the lipstick. First one I'm going to try on for you guys is called Fuse. Here is what it looks like on the doe foot. Nice full coverage. And there's what it looks like dried down. I love the way that applied. It had almost like a wet feeling gliding on my lips. It doesn't feel thick at all, but it's extremely pigmented, as you can see. I did that all with one dunk into the component. I did not have to go back in a second time, so it's very opaque and it feels very comfortable on the lips. I love this color too. The next shade I'm gonna try on for you guys is called Circuit. This is the blue shade that came in the collection. It looks like this. Oopsie. And there it is swatch. All right, let's try this on the lips. This is what Circuit looks like. I'm not a huge fan of how this looks on my lips. It applied the exact same way as the color Fuse. Like I said, it's very soft in texture, almost has like a watery consistency, but it's so fully opaque. I only had to go in with one dunk again with this color. As for the smell, I did forget to mention that when I tried on the first one. It doesn't really have much of a scent at all. If anything, it's just like a lipsticky, like a cosmetic type smell, but other than that, it really doesn't have a strong scent whatsoever. Okay, so the color that I'm actually most excited to try on, I saved for last. This one is called Earthling. It looks like this. It's like this grayish, mauve-y brown tone. Let's see what it looks like when I swatch. Ooh, yep. I'm very excited to try that on, and I tried to clean up that blue a little bit off camera. All right, let's put this on. Okay, so here is what Earthling looks like. I love the way this looks on my lip. I believe I read online that this is supposed to be a universal shade that looks good on everyone's skin tone, so I mean, I like the way it looked on my lips. Again, with the one swipe coverage, and it felt very good. I hope that you guys enjoyed my review of the Melt Cosmetics Blueprint collection. I have to give you guys my final thoughts about it. Would I recommend picking this up? It's debatable, because the problem I have with the eyeshadow stacks are that it's really hard to complete a full look if you're going for a more neutral vibe, because you really don't have, you only have two matte shades, both of which are dark. So you don't really have anything to blend out and soften your look at all. I loved the way the shadows applied. I think that they are very pigmented and easy to work with. I did notice a good amount of fallout underneath my eyes before I applied my foundation. But if that's something that doesn't really bother you, then it won't matter. I think if I could do this over, I would just pick things up individually. That blue lipstick, I'm not sure, if I'll wear that. But the other two lipsticks, I really liked the way they looked, and I think they complemented my skin tone well. I do like the stacks. I think they're good eyeshadows, but I think depending upon what you want, I would pick and choose out of this collection instead of picking up the entire set. I hope that you guys enjoyed my review. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave a comment. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.